Okay. And then let's do another problem just so we get more practice on completing the square, because it's 20 points on just completing the square. We can do x squared. Let's do something with fractions. Minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Okay.
And what are we? We're doing the same thing that we just did.
Yeah.
Okay.
Square.
So you would minus 2 on both sides.
Minus 2 minus 2. So then you'd get x squared minus 3x equals negative 2.
And then you do negative 3 over 2 squared. Wait, what would that, like, what would 3 over 2 simplify to?
3 over 2 is just, it doesn't simplify. Like,
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So you just have to square it.
Okay. Wait, how would you square like a fraction?
A fraction? So how you square a fraction is just, so we have the negative, right? We can just put it on the top. It's negative 3. So you would do like negative 3 squared over like 2 squared.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you just square the top and the bottom.
6 over 4 or 9 over 4.
Yep, 9 over 4. I remember when we do b over 2 squared, you'll always get a positive number because everything squared is positive, right? Yeah, so you'll never get a negative number for the b over 2 squared. So yeah, so we get 9 over 4. So
add that to both sides.
X squared minus 3x plus. Hopefully your teacher won't give you any like fraction completing the square. If she does, that would be really mean. But we're learning to do it now. Okay. So now what do we do?
You would factor out. How would you do this?
So it's the same concept. What times what equals 9 over 4, and then what plus what equals negative 3.
Okay. How would you like factor something to make a fraction?
It's the same thing. So like, what two numbers equal 9 over 4? So that would be like, if you think of factors of 9 over 4, you could do like 3 over 2, right? And then 3 over 2 is the only factor of 9 over 4. And what's 3 over 2 times 3 over 2?
3 over 2 times 3 over 2? That would equal 9 over 4.
And what's 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2?
6 over 4.
6 over 4?
Oh, 6 over 2.
So that would equal 3, right?
Okay.
So you have 3 over 2 times 3 over 2 equals 9 over 4. 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 equals 3. But this is negative 3, right? So then it would just be negative, because negative 3 over 2 times negative 3 over 2 is still positive 9 over 4. But negative 3 over 2 times negative 3 over 2 is equal to negative 3, right? If we were to like do that.
Oh yeah.
Okay, yeah, so then your factor would be x minus 3 over 2, and then
Then x minus, or yeah, x minus 3 over 2 squared. Well, you would do equals to, I'm like losing my voice,
oh no,
equals to plus 904, which is, how would you add that?
so how we add a whole number and a fraction is that they have to have the same denominator. So if we're to have like a denominator on the bottom of 4, you also have to multiply the top by 4. So if you, let's see here, if you do negative 2 is basically negative 2 over 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then if you want the denominator to be 4, what would you multiply the denominator by?
4,
Mm-hmm.
and then you'd have to do that to the top.
Yeah. So then you'd equal negative 8 over 4. Then you have negative 8 over 4 plus 9 over 4. And
Okay, so that would be 1 over 4,
mhm.
or 1/4.
And then how would you like put this in the form?
You would do x minus 3 over 2 squared minus, or plus 1/4 equals 0.
Plus 1/4?
No, it would be negative, like minus 1/4.
Yeah, equals 0. So this is just like how you would do it with fractions. Hopefully she doesn't do this, but if she does, like this is how you do it.
Okay.